just don't want me to go over there.
Not really. Huh, what do you know, Nick? I really don't want you to go over a cliff. I value my life. It's a very nice life. Shit.
Oh shit. Where's the cliff?
Oh, that's so. I'd have never noticed.
You're fine now, it's all nice over there.
Hey.
So there's an ATV trail.
Yeah. I go on the.
That sounds awesome.
I'm gonna say let's not go that way.
Oh yeah, let's just go this way. There's a sign back there except the left.
Can we make it?
Yeah, I'll just got my glasses.
Yeah, you probably don't want to use it. They have guns. So are you in fourth gear now? Or
Four-wheel drive? No.
four-wheel drive?
I'll go ahead and four-wheel drive.
Now you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now these are ruts.
Is that so?
And that's a lot.
Is that bad?
I just gotta watch my exhaust. Shit. Stop slamming my foot.
Sorry.
Oh, shit.
Stop slamming the floor. Oh, Lord. I still don't know why they have caution tape that says "see your dad" on it. Oh, that's caution in Spanish, I think. No, it's not. That's city. No, it says caution. Okay.
I have no idea. 2 miles.
Heckwoods Trail. 2 miles. Oh, really? 2 whole miles?
Yes. Oh, yeah, there's miles and miles.
Damn. Okay.
Coming up to my exhaust.
Yep. Is it bad if it goes into your exhaust?
It shouldn't go into it as long as I got my engine ready.
Oh.
And like, RPMs. I just wanted to see something. Which way do you think we should go?
Anywhere there's not a cliff. I'm a little biased though.
Let's try left for now.
Okay. You'd think they'd have signs.
Yeah.
I think you just ate a tree.
I just went over a bridge, yeah.
There's a lake. Oh. Perhaps not that one. That looks a little deep. Well, we can go through it. That's cool.